Now that we have our initial selection, we're just about ready to go forward. My suggestion is switch this to subtract and then apply a little bit of a feather. This will help with the blend. If needed, you can turn off the alpha channel by clicking on the transparency grid and just get a good idea if you have the object, which it looks like we do. Now, in the content-aware fill dialog, give the alpha a slight expansion to calculate and capture more detail. Don't overdo it, but a small amount between 5 and 10 usually works well. Tell it to track for the object here since we're removing a bike rider on the open road, and then track the entire duration. When ready, click Generate Fill Layer. It's going to analyze the clip, looking at the movement, the color, the tone, and then attempt to generate a new image sequence to fill in the missing pixels. Now that it's done, we can press the space bar and watch the effect. It's looking really good. By going a bit tighter here on the object, we avoided hitting any of the edges of the road. That was necessary to really focus here. The only area you might want to track is the shadow of the bicycle. You can notice it here on the road a bit, right there. Let's select the object here and click to add another mask. It's a little tricky. If you lose it, click on the first point, zoom in a little bit, and keep going. Now, it's a very faint shadow. Come back in, close the loop. There we go. Subtract and feather. There we go. Let's add a keyframe for mask path. Track backwards. There's our second mask. And let's just generate that new fill layer. Let's go ahead and have a look. And it looks great. The shadow has been taken care of on the ground.